Papa, Mama,
No.
I called both of you to inform you about my friend Chacha. She wants me to travel to the city with her. And you know I have to go so I can be able to get a better job to take care of both of you. You know you're not getting any younger. And I'm your only child. So I have to do everything within my power so I can be able to take good care of both of you.
It's okay. She told you this. Yes, this is good. Nah. Did you hear what our daughter just said?
I heard her.
What do you have to say to her suggestions?
What do I have to say if not to thank God for such a blessing?
Yes.
My daughter, thank you very much. It's good you're thinking about our well-being as parents who are advanced in age. But what I am thanking God again is that it will enable you to be independent.
Yes.
You are no longer a beggar. And I'm happy you have such a good friend who thinks above herself, including you.
No, this girl she's talking about, Chacha, was the same girl that added money for my treatment.
Oh, Nyamelo.
It's so cool.
Oh, Nyamelo. What a very good companion.
Yes.
You tell her that your parents are happy when they got the news. That she should keep it up.
Yes.
One good point I like about you is that you have a history of humility, being humble to your parents. That's why the rapport has gone on over the years.
Yes.
I love you, my daughter.
What your father has said.
I love you.
Now, rap go to love, just city. Rap go there.
Anyway, from my heart.
I'm you love from why you got love where. Let me, my daughter. I pray that before.
Let me
advise our daughter because I pray that you get to work fast.
Yes,
So you just try and start with small jobs.
Yes.
Don't aim at the big ones so that you won't lose all of them at the same time. And secondly, I don't want you to become a liability to your friend. She's the only one you have in the city. So you can be bringing in your own 1 naira. So get the small job that you'll be earning small money to assist her before the big one. You know, go. And remember that your father said he blessed your friend also.
I will tell her, Mama. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Adao, may our Chi continue to protect you.
Yes.
May you continue to escape bad companions.
Yes.
And having lived an honest life and avoided bad people, kadaka na monkey gali iwe ike na kwomolomolo ti akunu isige. And no go
yes, Papa.
You'll go well.
Thank you, Papa.
You'll end up well.
Thank you, Papa.
Amen.
Amali Chadam.
Mama.
Mwambu na for more.
No.
You know you are the only one. Shall be well with you on this trip.
Amen.
But don't forget all I have said to you.
Yes.
No matter what, don't forget where you come from.
Of course, Mama.
Very important, very important.
I will not forget, Mama. I will do everything within my power to make you both proud. Let me quickly go. Chacha will be waiting for me.
Okay.
It's okay. Just be careful.
Yes, Mama.
Remember all I said. I will not lose it to the city.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
I will not lose it to the city.
Yes,
You
Mama.
will come back to me. Yes, no matter the situation. Yes, if it's not working, come back.
Yes,
I will still receive you. Oh?
Yes, Mama.
It's well. Oh?
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Well with you. Oh?
Yes, Mama.
Ijoma. Oh?
Yes.
Don't cry. I'm fine. I'll be fine. Bye-bye. Badanya. Oh?
Bye-bye.
Go, rush. So that you don't miss her. Kasike. Ijoma. Oh? It shall be well with you. Gaba, Kasibike. Kasike. You will not miss your mark. I will be praying for you that night. I will be praying. You must succeed in that city. We others have gone and failed. You will go there, you will succeed. Oh, in Jesus' name. Ijoma nwam.
Chief. Don't tell me you have not been able to dictate what is wrong with this car.
Chris, me, Shaggy.
I don't run the motor. Chief, as this motor now, you don't position where they game now. Now test I be one go test them before you come in.
That's all right.
But if you doubt me now, if you run and check
You mean I won't experience that jacking again?
thunder fire jacking. Just you walk. What be jacking? When I touch motor. I run out. Now soft talk. Now we don't run out. Start am. Confirm. Give am belema here. Take am easy o. Come front. Hold am. Now fire am, make I hear am. Now I walk. You don't see her now. Chief. Run sharply. You don't see him now. All the nozzle, I don't service him. I see matcha, he dey answer you.
Yes.
I beg, make a foreign chief. I don't get joy.
Ada, this one you're looking all dressed up and you're carrying your luggage. Where are you going to?
I'm heading to the city.
City? Really?
I was actually on my way to your house to plead with you to assist me in taking care of my parents. But now I will not be around for now. Please.
It's not a problem now. What are friends for? I'll do it.
Oh, serious? Thank you. Thank you so much. You are really a friend indeed. Thank you. I was actually on my way to your house to...
So when you're going to the city, Ada, don't forget about me. Oh. Don't leave me in this village. Oh.
I will not forget about you, okay? Once I succeed in the city, I'll come to the village and take you with me.
Huh? Hey, I can't wait to chai. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me go. My friend is waiting for me.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye. Don't forget me, oh,
I
Ada.
will not.
Bye-bye.
Welcome to my house. Come, make yourself comfortable.
Hey, Charity, Chacha, don't tell me this is where you live. Hey?
Of course, this is where I live. You don't like it?
Of course I love it. It's so big. Chirekwa, wait. Do you live here alone?
Of course I live alone. Ada. I live alone.
Look at my friend.
Oh.
This place is so beautiful. And it's big.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, my darling. It's enough. Too many questions. You know what?
Yes.
Just relax. Let me go fix something for us to eat. You know, it's been a long day, so just relax. And the bag. You can bring it.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah, wah.
Give them.
Wah.
That's what I mean.
Wah.
Wah.
I say,
Wah.
hey,
Make I tell you that. See now, make una hear. This thing no be the right song one I supposed to sing.
Okay, why here?
See, make I give you now this song now.
nobody.
She no get nyash, she no get breast. Which kind of one we never see? She no get breast, she no get nyash. Which kind?
Wah.
She no get nyash, she no get breast.
I tell you. Hey guys, what's up? What's up, girls?
We did welcome back.
What's happening now?
Nothing much, just a hot 10 years for this sort of thing.
I don't get choice, you know.
Hey,
Wow, this is loud.
So Ada, this is where I work.
Wow! It's large. It's far more bigger than my father's workshop in the village.
Of course. What do you expect now? This is city, so it should be.
Wow.
Now mechanic daughter be this.
Good morning, all.
Ada, this is where I work. And this is row.
Oh, Tata, now if you want to introduce me well now. Wait till they play. See one. Let me be Piro Asa. See with the tight, with the loose. Anything where you want.
You don't do. You don't do.
In case you want to change your oil, I dig it.
I don't mind now. And this is Shaggy. These are the hot chicks.
Now we
the baddest chicks in town.
Now we there here.
Tasha, Love It, and Chantel.
Peace out.
And this is my friend Ada. She came from the village, and yeah, she's gonna work here with us. She's very, very fantastic, good at repairs. And her father owns a shop in the village.
Nice to meet you all.
That's why her hands are very strong.
And what is going on here? What is going on here?
Madam, go! Madam, don't last.
Good morning. I said, what is going on here?
Nothing, ma. We did okay.
Very well then.
Go back to your various duties.
It's too early for gossips.
When don't talk, Madam, don't talk. Get busy, Madam, to make it.
And when you had this, you get back there. Get back there. What has come over you? Have you lost it? This, madam.
Oh, no, you put no way on go. Madam, do good.
This man, go work. Go repair. Repair with.
Madam, wait till they spoil happiness. Which kind of man did you do? Don't worry, I hate it all here.
Madam is a joy killer.
Oh yeah. Wow. Get.
See, madam. See. You put the ones in the air now.
Move. Let me get introduced you to our madam, eh?
See, Chacha, you go still carry this.
Leave me alone. Don't talk to me.
You carry and come. Oh, we know how to do it.
One thing they vex me is you don't even carry better person. Because na mechanic pikin, you carry come mechanic in your shop.
Oh, boy.
Man be saying na visit the girl come visit.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma.
Yeah, good morning.
Ma, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. Can I have a seat?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Ma, this is my friend Ada. She just came from the village. Yeah, and she's looking for a job desperately. And I'm wondering if you could please employ her to work here because she's so very good with repairs. Yes, even her father has a workshop in the village, a mechanic workshop, yeah.
Really?
Yes.
You just said that she's good.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I can repair any kind of camera.
Oh.
Yes, any kind.
For real?
Yes, ma.
In that case, let her work with us.
Ma, does it mean I have been employed?
You have the job. As for your salary, we'll talk about it later. But you do not have any problem.
Yes, ma.
So, Ada, you are welcome to our company.
Thank you, ma. God will bless you, ma. Thank you.
Chacha,
Ma.
ensure you teach her all she needs to know on how we run our company. You know exactly what I mean.
Yes, ma'am.
So take her to the changing room and get her overall to change. I need her to start work immediately.
Okay, ma'am.
If possible, let her start with that red Mercedes.
Oh.
Okay? Yes, the gearbox is having small problem. She needs to service it, then work on probably change the piston and rings.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you know exactly what to do. Let me see what she's capable of doing.
Oh, don't worry, ma.
All
She's
right.
good.
Yeah,
Right.
you can go with her. Are you all right?
No, ma. I'm fine, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil, Mumma Julie Juno. Emma Quifanalo, As you the service your motor, top of oil. Wait,
what is it, Ada? What does she mean by you teaching me all I need to know about how you run this company? Is there something else going on here aside from repairing of cars?
Ada, I will tell you everything you need to know. But for now, let's go and change, okay?
No, I won't. I won't change. Tell me what is going on first, please. I need to know.
Ada, I said I will tell you everything you need to know. Everything, just everything. But now we need to go and change. I have a job to do. Like I'm rushing. This is an instruction. Let's go and change. Let's go.
Come give money for hand back for good and
This is not just a workshop. Just take a look. We do a lot here. Just look around. Or haven't you wondered why we don't dress like the regular mechanics out there? Ada, now listen. The reason why I dressed you, the reason why you dressed this sexy this way, and look at the beautiful hair I gave you so that you can look good to attract men. Yes, the reason why we dress like this is to attract men that come to this place to fix their cars. We even go as far as going out to look for customers to come repair their cars here. And when one of them, any of them like us, we make them pay good money.
This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. You mean you brought me here to do this? No! No!
What do you mean by that? What exactly do you mean by that? See, you see this place? Girls are begging. Like they come here regularly, begging on their knees for them to work here. And you have the opportunity to come here and you're saying this. See, if you don't want it, you can go back to the village and remain there. Okay? You can go back to the village and remain a local champion.
Okay. Okay, fine. I will work here. But I am not going to get involved in all those things you just mentioned. No, I will not. I am a well-trained mechanic by my father. Yes, I'm going to use those skills very well. I can't get involved in all those things. I can't. I can't.
Well-trained mechanic.
What is funny? Why are you laughing? Yes, he did train me. He trained me very well.
Ada.
Yes.
Now you sabi. Let's go and join other girls. Well-trained mechanic.
As you the service your motor, it up a oil. Come give money for hand back for good and
Now you can't phone. Let me talk to her now. You have been holding the phone, not talking.
Hello, Papa.
Adao. It's your mother.
Oh, Mama. Mama, good morning.
Adam, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. I've missed you.
I miss you so much, Ada. What is happening? For some time you have not called me. You've not called me since. Neither have you called any of us. Ogidi, we have been worried sick about you. Why won't you call us?
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that, Mama. Mama, if you see the fine overall they gave me, like that Papa's own.
Ezioku, I know it will fit you. I hope you're looking very beautiful in it. Yes, and the trouser sized you. I hope you button the zip up to your chest area.
Yes, Mama. Mama, please, can you give Papa the phone? I want to speak to him.
Okay, let me give him phone. Ada wants to talk to you.
Give me. Anytime she wants to talk to me. You take the phone. You want to talk to Amara, you snatch the phone. Are you a phone snatcher? Ada, please don't mind me. It's your mother. Always wanting to dominate in communication, dominating this and that. I hope you are doing well.
I'm fine too.
Oh, okay. We are okay. Managing.
Papa, you know I just resumed, but everything is fine. By the grace of God, everything is fine.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful. Oh, good. Your employers will be happy with you. Diligent worker. You're very good in everything. Okay.
Papa, I will. Please greet Mama for me and my friend Amara when she visits. Please, just greet them for me and take good care of yourself. Oh.
Okay. Why not? I'll do that. Oh, my daughter, keep on being good. Yeah, we'll talk next time. Thank you. Oh.
All right, Papa. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it now. You're giving me phone.
You're showing that you love our daughter more than I love her.
You love her most. Hold phone.
Hold
phone. Answer the call. Oh. Put it in your ears.
Money for hand back for good and hey, okay, go chasing no allo. Money for hand back for good and Onny money for na losing no. Wahala no dey finish you. Jay, this one a sexy mechanic work.
How's it going, Ada?
It's going well. I'm almost done, eh?
I trust you now.
Okay. Such a cute and guy.
Oga, come and start your car. Oga, come and start your car. I'm done.
Ada, no. You don't finish.
Yeah. I don't finish.
Please, you can just stay a little
Oh God, they said they don't finish your car. They go start your car. Now you get them.
I wish I can stay a little more, you know?
Oga, we mind though. We mind. Come and start your car.
Medo.
Now car you can repair, not be to look nyash and breast.
Ada.
Yes, come and start your car. Oga, start the car. I'm done.
Oga, close your zip, oh.
You're right about her. She's really good. I told you. Start the car, Oga.
I trust you now. You too much.
Yes, sir.
I know what you can do. I trust you.
I love this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So how much?
Come on, will you shut up? You shut up there. It's just 30,000 naira only. Only.
We will collect you.
Exactly. But you know, you can add something, you know, for the girls if you want.
I am attack house.
Oh. Wow.
See our money. See our money. I catch okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Money. Money. What's it look? Yes, they look.
Bye. Come again, no.
Yeah.
Hey. What was the meaning of that?
Abobi, how you take day? So if you no dey here like this, that's why you for take this man's price. When you come, when they carry you come to shop.
I don't understand.
How will you understand? How?
Don't mind this stupid village local champion. How dare you call me that? You dey meant. What my day say you dey craze?
Beg you, men are not killer for
you.
I dey question man.
You don't get respect.
Men are not killer for me.
You don't get respect again, Abi. You because say you just do one guy, you dey poof. Guy, if I forget my hand for your face,
put them through.
Look at this one. Don't be my yard.
Mechanic work shop. Whether you like them or not, you must pay the money. Yeah, I see they service your motor. Change your oil.
Madam, they vex so.
Shanti, what is it?
No be that stupid village girl where Chacha carry come. I don't know that girl they smoke water.
Did she not fix the car well?
Madam, she fixed the car well. But the problem is that she can't reason the man. They tell her say no supposed they there they watch us. Say make him waka, me just pay us waka they go. Which kind of paro be that one now?
She did that.
Madam, she did it.
You know what? Don't worry, eh? I will handle her.
I bet can't handle her.
Shanti, tell me, how much did the man drop?
Madam, you too like money. Now 30K.
Are you with the money?
Sure. It's my pocket too.
It's okay. I will handle that little rat.
I better stand up already because they handle her.
It's okay. You know your temper is always high. Do not fight in my workshop, okay? Do not fight. I will handle her. Can you imagine? Oh. She think that we fellowship here.
Wait, Chacha. How much that man pay you?
50K now. 30K for madam. 20K for the girls.
What? What I did in that car is not even up to 5,000 naira. Not to talk of 50,000. Are you serious?
Oh, Ada, what did they worry you? What is 50,000 naira big kunu? What is just that 50? That is no money now. You don't know how we run things here. I did tell you make you calm down, make you they see how we they run things for this place. See, some people they come here, they will pay 100K for something that is not even worth up to 10,000 naira. This one bring 50K. Blah, blah, blah. Calm down, they lose.
Where is that stupid girl? Where is that animal that called herself Ada or what? Good afternoon. And you go, come on, you can keep your greetings to yourself. And who gave you the right to talk to my customer in such manner? Are you mad? Are you insane? Sorry, ma. Again, you keep your sorry to yourself. I don't need it. How do you think I got the money to build this big workshop and still have all that space that I rented out to other mechanics? Do you know that this place is 4 acres of land? Do you know how much I spent? Sorry, ma'am. Or do you think that here is your father's mechanic, your local mechanic in the village? Look at her. And I thought I asked you to educate her how we run things here. How much did he pay?
30,000 naira, ma.
Let me have the money.
Oh yes, I was even about to bring it to you, ma.
No problem, I'm already here. Let me have it. Are you sure it's complete?
Yes, ma.
Idiot.
I'm sorry.
Check your pocket very well.
Mine is complete.
The next time you try this, just kiss your job goodbye. Don't try me.
We are sorry, ma.
Look at her.
Sorry, ma.
Stupid girl. And where is what's his name?
You know they worry you for head. You know they ever hear. I'm gonna teach you something you know go learn. You bring my leg out for this place. You know they hear. There they look me.
Change your oil, Julie. Ima kwifanalo, as you the service your motor. Itapo kwa oil, waka kwanko. Come call gifanalo, money for hand back for good and hey, okwego jisino alo. Money for hand back for good and do. Only money fanalo zino.
What are you doing here? I thought I warned you never to step your feet into this compound anymore.
My darling, please. I'm so sorry.
Hey, never you call me that again. Go back to your secret lover, okay? It's over between us.
Baby.
Hey,
my
come
darling, please. Hear me out. Just listen to me, please.
Where did you go to leaving my gate open for this hole to come into my compound?
Okay, I beg. I dey hungry. I go buy what I go chop. I beg.
Next time this happens, I am going to sack you from that place. Do you understand? Now push out.
My darling, please.
I beg you, take out of this compound.
You're going to regret this.
I beg go, yeah, go.
Don't you dare touch me.
Ow, go, Joe.
Don't touch me.
Go, I know, go. I know you will go.
Baby, please, just listen to me.
Now go now, my
Don't
job.
you dare touch me.
My job now, they go now, please. They go.
Wait.
They go now.
Wait.
Babes. I called this brief meeting because I want us to be our brother's keeper. Yeah, irrespective of the fact that we came from different villages. And it's basically because of my friend here, Ada. You guys know, say, Ada dey new for this town. She's new to this thing and she doesn't know anything that we do here in our workshop. So please, I want you babes to please try and cope with her.
Cope with her?
Yeah.
You know what they say, far away come area no. If they use one leg, they stand.
That's what you be, my sister.
Say her make she no use her 2 left legs, they stand though.
Calm down.
Make she watch her mouth, if not she go contact.
Calm down, girl.
See, hey, babes. You know say me, normally, if you to tell local, I hate it with passion. I hate it. I go straight, bah! I dey enter net. I know they go through corner. I dey talk am as CB.
Talk wetin you want talk.
Hey, babe, I dey vex now. On how this girl take day. She no say she no wan join us, but she dey on her day. You say dinging something. We not force her, make she join wetin we dey do.
Calm down.
I dey vex now.
Na true na she dey talk, na true.
And you gone dey spoil things for person.
Please, I want to apologize. I'm so sorry for everything. And I promise I will not meddle in your affairs.
I don't hear her.
She did
correct girl.
She dey speak English, meddle in your affairs. Oh, wahala, we dey.
Calm down. Let's go back to our work.
When they even give her fitted, make she wear. Na even oversized outfit, now they forgive her. Your dress
because she just come.
I don't understand. They can't give her
I see the service your motor. Change your oil. Omo Jule Juno. Ima Quifana. I see the service your motor. It up kwa oil. Omo.
Make I not hear your mouth today. Make I not hear your mouth today.
You can't even clean for me.
I wonder why Madam Dogood don't even come today, sef. Eh?
Wait. Piro, what did you talk now? I don't understand how that thing we talk now take lap well for your ear. If Madam Dogood come, you don't know say things go spoil. As it be now, anything when we arrange for ourselves, we go split them into two seconds.
My brother, you'll live long to see your children.
That one day, Sha. That one day, Sha. Now, if some busybody people, you know, say some girls here, their body today, make them no go do amebo. If they don't know.
Hey! Obiadimma, you say what? No, talk am again. Amebo. No, you don't say I dey like go straight. I know they cut through corner. If you know as it be, just talk am like that. Who are the people where they do amebo for this place? Because all man for himself and everybody there on their day for this workshop. So how you take beer, Bobby?
Come on, keep quiet. Or how it take day. I dey talk to you. I call your name. You go sit down where make your bishop fire. See, if not be say my spec or how you get breaks there or how you get big breaks, I forgive you points for it. But the craze.
See, guy, as you see me like this, I don't get short. I don't fear you. You be man, I be woman.
This one is a sexy mechanic, you walk a shop. Whether you like them or not, you must pay the money. Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil.
How do you? Why are you so perfect in this? How do you do it?
Do you want me to teach you?
Teach me, oh.
Yeah, I want to, like, genuinely, I want to learn how to do this.
I will. I will. I'm hungry. I don't know if you can borrow me some money. Let me go get something to eat, please.
How much do you want?
200 naira is fine.
200 naira?
Let me use it and go down and buy that okpa.
I thought you want to say something better. That's chicken change now. 200. Wait. 200. Oh yeah, 1K. Go and get yourself something.
1,000 naira. Thank you. Thank you so much. God will bless you. Thank you.
God bless you. You're welcome. Are you going alone? Should I follow you?
No, don't worry.
Don't get lost, so.
I will not. Let me quickly go change and wear something else and I will go get it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. Go do that.
This one a sexy mechanic, you walk a shop. Whether you like them or not, you must pay the money. Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil. I see the service your motor. Top of
Excuse me, sir. Is something wrong with your car?
Oh yeah, as you can see, it's not just starting.
It's not starting.
Yeah.
Would you mind if I take a look?
I don't understand. Are you a mechanic?
Of course, I'm a mechanic, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
You're a mechanic?
Yes, sir. Can I take a look at the car?
Oh, okay.
Okay, sir. Oh. Oga? Yeah, your oil.
Did what?
Yeah, it's almost finished. When did you change it last?
I don't normally do that. I call my mechanic to always check on that. I can't remember the last time I touched it. Yeah.
You need to top up the oil. You need to change it entirely. Yes.
Okay.
Can you start it? Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, start.
Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil. I see the service your motor. Top of
Okay.
It's not just coming up.
It's not coming up?
Yeah.
Okay, the dash...
And there's no light on the dashboard at all?
No light at all?
No.
Okay, that means it should be battery.
For real?
Yeah, let me quickly go to our workshop and get battery for you.
Are you going to do that?
I'll have to suspend where I'm going to do that for you, sir.
Okay. I'll wait then.
Just give me a minute, I'll be back, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, right, I see the service your motor. Change your oil. I see the service your motor. Top of money for hand back for good and
I'm coming.
Money for hand back for good and do.
What be this thing supposed to enter here? Piro.
Wait to this. You sure say no, madam do good bad with this girl. They go sell soap.
Abi? Which kind of talk with that one now? She don't feel do that kind of thing now.
Chacha, don't be too sure. No, but confidence don't make a fish bend.
Wait.
Where should they go?
Wait, ma follow her up.
I dey come with you.
No, come
I say I dey come with you.
What did they do these girls?
Ma, don't sell the battery, carry the money share.
That girl not send a battery for this shop. They go to go be town.
For real? You're back. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Start it again.
Yes, sir.
This is great.
Let me close the bonnet, sir.
Okay.
Let me close the bonnet.
You're really good.
Thank you, sir.
When you said you're a mechanic, I was like, wow, what kind of mechanic is this? I've never seen. This is the first time I'm saying this.
Thank you, sir.
You're really good.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, sorry for my manners. My name is Greg.
My name is Adanne.
Adanne, nice meeting you.
Same here.
If you don't mind, can I just hang out somewhere or something?
No, sir. No, I can't do that with a stranger.
I am not a stranger. I'm a friend to you now. Okay, let me appreciate you for your. Okay. Sorry, my kind of business, I handle dollars a lot, Okay, you can still have this. Okay?
No, sir. No.
Why?
No, I don't need it, sir.
Are you still scared? I mean, I'm not a stranger to you. I'm a friend to you now. I've never experienced this before.
It's okay.
But please, I'm a friend to you now, okay? You can have this for your job well done. I just want to appreciate you, okay?
Sir, I just helped you with the battery. Anybody could have done that for you, so don't bother yourself. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay then. Okay. Where is your workshop?
Just get to that junction, take your right.
Okay.
Yeah, the mechanic. It's called the Girls Mechanic Workshop.
And your name again?
Adanne.
Nice name. Okay, Adanne, thank you so much.
I have to be on my way because I was going to get something before. Let me return the battery.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mama Ada.
No. How are you?
I'm fine. I can see you're just returning from the market.
Yes, my dear.
How is your husband?
My husband is
Ada?
fine. They are all fine. We are all doing fine. And your family?
They are fine, no. Hey, Ada is a very nice girl. City girl. God has really blessed you with a good child.
Glory to God.
I wish all the girls in this village could just learn from her. She's a good example.
Thank you so much. Dalso. Thank you. Actually, I went to buy some food stuff to prepare for my husband. I know by now you should be hungry at the workshop. So let me go home and prepare something for him.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much for your comments.
You're welcome. All right.
Well, let me rush.
Wait here.
Understand.
Why are they parents? You don't send the battery.
Do you get? Yes! Where you go?
You mean you talk to me, just to back me.
Now, what you concern you for this matter now? Then where you there? I tell you. I be you for the dinner.
What did I do?
I didn't talk you. They speak English.
What did happen now? Hey, God.
You think say we don't see you? We see everything. We see everything.
Wetin happen? We see everything. Tell us what happened now.
That's not the better for me for the bed.
Talk now, you don't want to talk.
Wetin happen? Talk wetin happen now.
Be your mouth fit no talk wetin your eye take see.
If you see wetin I see, you wear me nose go blast everywhere. You see this girl when they carry from village come meet us. This girl, she carry battery go meet one Abobi. The Abobi use the battery start car. I say, this Abobi give this Mbeke huge amount of money. This Mbeke rejects the money. And they test you.
Ma? You say?
No, I didn't do anything to deserve the money.
You see why I thought I hate this girl?
I only gave him battery to start his car. Anybody could have done that for
Go to America!
Stop
You go to America!
You reject money.
No sense.
You reject money.
This girl enter this city for the bank video. We go for sure come out from this workshop. Let's say walk you.
You get love say madam do good no dey. You foresee yourself.
Abeg, you too. When I calm down, abeg, excuse me.
So now you bring a phone.
I say make you calm down. Make I talk with my girl. You don't do. Let me take it off from here.
Chacha, this your girl. She get
I
Why she take fight? She don't even get sense. But wait. As you wise rich, you say them they tender and robbers. She no gree collect. You don't go there and go collect the robber.
Where the guy dey make I go?
Hey, good thing is happening to us.
Yes.
Do you know that our daughter is now the talk in the mouth of everyone in this village.
Everywhere.
Everybody's praising our daughter.
You has become the reference point.
They are even using her as an example to their own children.
I am overjoyed because I personally trained her. Personally. I gave her this new image that she's showering in.
Okay, you personally trained her. Meaning that I am
I'm not excluding your contribution.
Oh, if you have a neighbor, no.
No. It doesn't mean that.
Am I not a good mother to Ada?
I'm just saying that we all have done our best, but my own is like a shining to the high heavens.
I want high heavens anything your own shine to. Both of us did the work. I did.
There's no way I'm going to forget the investment I made in her.
We both invested.
Yes,
because if she did not turn out good now, you will say like mother, like daughter. We invested.
Okay, let me say. I'm taking a accolade of 75%.
No, you will take 50, even 45. Some ways that our daughter is doing very well.
Look at us. Jocelyn over who made you what you are. We all contributed there. I should be happier because I made more contributions.
Stop saying you are.
Ada, what are you doing here? You're not sleeping.
I will sleep when it comes. But for now, I can't find one.
Is anything bothering you? Don't tell me it's about what's happened at the workshop today.
Yes, I have been thinking. Why Shanti doesn't like me? Why?
Who says Shanti doesn't like you?
But you were there when she said it. You heard it.
I heard when she said that. Yes, I heard that. But I mean, I'm sure she didn't mean it, to be honest. I mean, it's all these girls talk now. Girls, you know, girls don't hide. They talk anyhow. You know what I mean? So you don't have to start thinking about it so long, coming here to stay thinking about it. Okay? She doesn't mean it that way.
Are you sure?
I'm always sure and certain, and you know that. Anything I tell you is certain. Okay? No reason I'm that way.
Okay. You say so. No problem.
Oh yeah, let's go and sleep.
Excuse me, sir. Is something wrong with your car?
Oh yeah, as you can see, it's not just starting.
It's not starting?
Yeah.
Would you mind if I take a look?
I don't understand. Are you a mechanic?
Of course I'm a mechanic, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. My name is Adane.
Adane, nice meeting you.
Same here.
If you don't mind, can I just hang out somewhere or something?
No, sir. No, I can't do that with a stranger.
Never experienced this before.
It's okay.
But please, I'm a friend to you now, okay? You can have this. For your job well done. I just want to appreciate you, okay?
Sir, I just helped you with the battery. Anybody could have done that for you, so don't bother yourself. It's fine.
Oga, you see this me and my friend here, we sabi the work, die. Oh, you say it not be us. Who you want make you do the work?
Nada, I want Ada to fix my car.
See what
Hey, come on, stop that.
We know the work.
Are you fixing my body or what?
That's to tell you say we know the work.
Very well, as well.
I mean car, not my head. Stop.
Oh yeah, who you want make you fix the car?
Ada, where is she?
Unfortunately, she's not around.
I'll wait.
You.
Okay, that's her.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Oh, they shine teeth. Why they shine teeth? Sir. He say he won't work, but say now you go do the work. I asked him the work where you want to. They laugh.
I'm sure you're here to change your car oil.
Yeah, I'm here to fix my car and I want you to do that for me.
No problem, sir. Let me get my tools, sir. I'm coming.
It's okay, I'll wait.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Hey!
Leave him alone.
Can you give me space now? Can you give me space?
Give him alone. Give him.
Guy is so cute.
Oh boy.
This kind of guy, eh?
He's so handsome.
I swear.
Oh, the guy they enter my eye.
You know that close the eye now. Tasha, you know they see the guy.
You know if you close am for this kind of guy, you see this one now the type wey every woman go want keep to herself. They shop am alone. Make her go try myself.
No go.
Ma try my luck.
No go.
No go waiting.
Okay. Calm down to avoid embarrassment.
Which embarrassment? Calm down.
They,
I go show her like this.
They go wipe you charger cord though.
Come call give money for handbag for good and hey,
hey handsome. How you doing?
Hey.
Hey. Handsome, do you like what you see? I'm gonna give it to you like this.
What is
hot,
this?
Hot.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I'm sexy, you know.
Hey, stop it. What's your problem?
Come on, don't pretend like you don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna give you.
If you don't stop this now, I'm gonna deal with you.
How?
Stop it now. What is wrong with you?
Just try to understand.
Understand what?
Shanti! What's happened? You know, mind your business. Do the mechanic work or they call you. Or there. Baby, you know, like.
If you do not stop this now, I will slap you.
Yeah.
They don't wipe and charger cord.
What's happened now?
What is your problem?
Why you gonna hit me like that? Be woman beater. Say I be. Nonsense, blackie with your fake watch and fake eyeglass. Not even be my specs, that's with your fake watch and fake eyeglass.
They don't wipe each other cord.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry about that, sir.
It's okay, but don't call me sir. I've told you before. My name is Greg.
No problem, sir. Greg, sir. Greg.
Okay.
I'm almost done, sir. I'm coming.
Sir, why don't you please sit down while she's walking the car?
It's okay, I'm fine here, okay? I'm fine here,
Leave me alone.
My sister. Calm down.
Yeah?
Calm down.
How did you do? Were you able to succeed?
See, may everybody leave me. Mona just, in fact, Mona leave me. Man, no bust here now. I bet Mona leave me.
Bossa.
Calm down.
Bossa, you know I better help you open this bonnet. Leave this girl from village and the remote.
Then sue you for village.
You need to.
The wipe and charger
cord. This is a village calling. Village is calling you.
I think that guy likes you.
Even if he makes advances at me, I will still not oblige him. I'm not interested.
You are not serious, are you?
I am. I'm serious.
Why?
Personal reasons.
See,
If that guy should say he likes you, don't even think about saying no. You see that guy? Lagos girls will grab him. Now hot cake be that.
Make they grab him. I am not interested. I am not. Seriously. That reminds me. How come I've never seen you with any guy? Is it that you don't have a boyfriend or what?
I have a boyfriend. I do. But my boyfriend traveled and I've not even heard from him. I've been calling his line, he's not going through, so I don't even know what is going on.
Did both of you quarrel before he traveled?
No, we didn't. Don't know.
Well, hopefully he will be back to you. That is, if he truly loves you. I'm sure he will.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Fingers crossed. Let's just hope.
Yeah.
So, how are you coping with this place?
My dear, it's not what I thought. It's not what I thought, to be honest. It's harder than I thought, rather.
Don't worry.
It's harder than I thought.
You'll be fine, yeah?
Chacha, you look tired and worried at the same time. Is everything all right?
I've been thinking about what you said at the workshop.
I said many things. Which of them in particular?
What you said about Stephen and I, that we might be having quarrel before he traveled, and probably that's why he hasn't even called, you know.
No, I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way at all.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
I've been, thinking about this, and I just wanted to find out, asking a man money so much can turn his attention from one.
In most cases, yes. That is where girls of nowadays miss it. For the fact that your man is rich does not mean you should constantly ask him for money. No. Most men get tired, and before you know it, they will turn their attention to someone else. Yes. Men want a lady who can bring something to the table, not the one that constantly takes from the table. That is why I find it hard to accept anything from a man. That's why you see me working hard. And I will continue to work hard until I make enough money to support my man. Are you all right? Did I say anything bad?
You didn't say anything wrong.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
It's all right, okay? So, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hey, come on. No, sir. Okay, I told you my name is Greg.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, Greg.
Good.
What can I do for you? Is your car faulty again?
No. You did an excellent job the last time. Okay, I'm not here to fix my car. Yes, I'm here to see you. You know, I have been thinking about you.
I hope all is well, sir.
All is well, all is well. You know, since I set my eyes on you, I couldn't just sleep. I've not been feeling fine, and I've never felt like this in my whole life. The way I felt the day I met you. I couldn't just sleep. I'm not just thinking straight. So if you don't mind, can we just go to somewhere very conducive and talk about this?
Sir, I really don't understand what you're trying to say. If you're not here to fix your car, I don't know what else you want me to do.
I'm here to see you because I've been thinking about you. I couldn't just take my mind off you.
Sir, aside from fixing your car, any other thing you have in mind, I am not interested. As you can see, I just resumed to work. So please, excuse me, sir.
Ada! I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know.
Sorry, sir, please excuse me.
Real. Girl, I want you to know.
Come here. So you meant that thing you said yesterday?
Of course! I keep telling you this. This is not why I came to Lagos. I'm here to hustle. I'm here to make money so I can take care of my family back home. Not this thing, not...